Web of poverty. Now let us discuss some topics which are presented in this presentation. So our first topic is what is poverty? Moving to second one, its main types. Our third one is causes, effect and solution. Moving to fourth one, figures of poverty in India. Moving to fifth one, anti-poverty measures taken by Indian government. Moving to sixth one, global poverty facts. Our seventh topic is illustration of poverty among various countries by graph. Moving to eighth one, what is child labor? Our ninth topic is some figures of child labor. Moving to 10th topic, distribution of child labor in various sectors. Now our 11th topic is acts taken against child labor by government. Now our last topic is illustration of child labor by graph. What is poverty? Poverty is about not having enough money to meet basic needs including food, clothing and shelter. Poverty may include social, economic and political elements. Its main types: absolute poverty and relative poverty. In absolute poverty, criteria not changed by economic growth, and in relative poverty, criteria changed by economic growth. Now in this slide, I have discussed causes of poverty, effects of poverty and solution of poverty. Moving to next slide, here figures of poverty in India. In the given figure you can see that 1 in 5 Indians are poor. According to the census, this is India poverty profile. Here I have discussed some more figures of poverty in India. In the figure you can see that how the states are placed. Madhya Pradesh was in top with 40.6% and Kerala is placed at bottom. Anti-poverty measures taken by the Indian government. In the figure you can also see the poverty trap. Government is also aggressive about to end poverty. Here there is the graphical representation of top 5 countries which are suffering from extreme poverty. Here in this slide I have discussed some global poverty fact. In the figure you can see top 5 countries with the largest share of global extreme poor. In this slide, what is child labor? Child labor refers to the exploitation of child through any form of work that deprives children of their childhood. Child labor in India. According to data from Census 2011, the number of child laborers in India is 10.1 million, of which 5.6 million are boys and rest are girls. Some figures on child labor. In the world's poorest country, slightly more than 1 in 4 children are engaged in child labor. Distribution of child labor in various sectors by a given pie chart, like in mining, construction, transport, community, manufacturing, and etc. Acts taken by Indian government against child labor. There are lots of acts taken by government to end child labor. Here there is a representation of the top 5 countries which are suffering from child labor. We can do anything impossible to possible. Hashtag become together. Now I am ending this topic by a quote. Poverty is not an accident like a slavery and apartheid. It is man-made and can be removed by human actions. Designed and created by Yash Gupta, Class 12. Data is taken by www.google.com. Special thanks to Om Sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for watching.